Okay, recently I showed you a Mr. Hustler robot that had some unique functions to it. And since then I've had one sent to me for repair. And since I've got it open, I thought maybe I'd shoot a little video of the insides of it so you can kind of see what's going on. Now this would be the front side. Here's the light part that spins around inside the chest area. This big box, big plastic box with this metal thing on it, is a sound effect. These arms hit that. These arms are also which cause Mr. Hustler's arms to move in and out. And on the back side, the other unique function that Mr. Hustler had is it had 2-speed walking. And it does that by shifting these gears. If I can get it up here. Right now, this gear is engaged to drive. And then when this shifts over, the smaller one is engaged to drive a bigger one. So this would be slower speed, this would be faster speed. Slower speed, faster speed. And it does it by crawling up a ramp, which is a typical way of doing these toys. And the gears are driven across this long thing here. In fact, I can, I believe, I'll hook up if you hit the battery polarity up wrong, you jam the toy up. So hopefully I'll get it right. So now it's in slow mode. And pretty soon here it should shift. See, these two gears are now in their fast mode. And you got your spinning light on the front. Okay, so now you know what's going on inside there. I could put a link to this video, or what the heck, I could just hit play and we could just play the demo part of it. So it's in a fast mode right now. And there it went down to slow mode.
Back up to the higher one.
Yeah, just like that. So I thought you might want to see inside that. Basically, here's the front cover off the robot. Head is sitting there. The body is back here, and the main reason it was sent to me is the plastic battery box was severely broken. So I've had to grab another one from my parts room and do some repairs on it, and it's gluing right now, otherwise I would have included it in the video. But not real exciting to see the plastic battery box compared to seeing the inside guts.